So today we have received some great news from the Unity. Seems like Unity just backed down from their runtime fee they introduced last year, and now is apparently cancelled. So the new CEO, Matt Bromberg, wrote the letter to the community to explaining the situation and the changes they decided to do. So I will leave the link to this letter in the description below this video. So let me go through this. I will not read the whole letter. You can read it yourself if you like. Let's just focus on some of the changes they're gonna do. So basically, after all drama last year, the Unity personnel gained a lot of new stuff. The one very good change they made, they removed now the splash screen, so you are not so you don't have to get the Unity splash screen if you don't want to, and this is included in the free version. And they changed the limit how much money you can earn from your game from $100,000 to $200,000. After that change, you made that money, you will need to upgrade to Unity Pro. So the biggest changes actually, and some price increases you will see in the Unity Pro and Unity Enterprise. So this is going to start from the January 1st, 2025, and is going to be applied for all of the Unity Pro and Enterprise customers. So as you can see, so the Unity Pro will be 8% subscription increase to $2,200 annually per seat. And then Enterprise is going to be 25% increase. So after you made 25 million on your game, you will have to pay 25%. So this is going to be only affecting the big companies who are making a lot of money from the game they release. So for us small developers, this is really good change, because now we can use the Unity for free without the splash screen, and the threshold of the money increased. A lot of people, after they announced the changes last year, was really worried about the terms of condition for the Unity. So they want to be, seems like, very transparent about it. They have introduced last year the GitHub repository, and they promised to post any changes to the term of service on that repository, which you can find a link in that article. And as you see, you have some revision, and any changes they make, they're going to post new revision, and then you can find what's changed. What they promise to do is, when you start using certain version of the Unity with the certain terms and condition, if they change something, it will not affect the current version you are using. So this is really good change as well. This is just the words, so we see what they're going to do, as they promise many times multiple things, and this is like the whole companies doing. They try to earn the money. So in my personal opinion, I wouldn't trust this one too much, but hopefully this is going to be improved. The very good thing is they canceling the runtime fee, and we don't have to worry about report ourselves how much money we make per game. So for us small developers who do not make any money, or a little money, less than 100,000 or 200,000 USD, this is great change. So very good news for this month. And also, as you can see, just to clarify this, if you try to get on the Unity blog post, and also if you go to the unity.com products, if you want to buy the Pro version, right at the bottom you will see the runtime fee is cancelled. So you have some questions and some answers which you can go through to just clarify some stuff if you are not sure. So I think this is very positive change, and as you see, my channel is focusing mainly on developing with Unity. At some point last year I was considering to switch engine, but I really like this engine, and all my projects are based around the Unity at the moment, and I think it's very mobile friendly. So I will definitely stick with the Unity from now on, and you can expect more game tutorials, more games will be produced on this channel. It's going to be a bit slower, but it's definitely, I have a lot of plans for multiple different projects, and you're going to see the tutorials will be coming up very soon, as well as some mixed videos like this one with the news from the Unity itself. This is very relevant what we do. So any changes they make, I definitely gonna inform you. So for now, let's be happy about the changes and the pressure the community made on Unity and their decision. And yeah, we're gonna keep using the Unity for now without any problems, hopefully. So let's wait for Unity 6 and let's see what changes they're gonna make, but there's gonna be a lot of different stuff. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.